Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Aura Ramadhani from Management Class 24A. In this video, I will discuss one of the important topics in business communication, namely critical review. Critical review is the skill of analyzing and evaluating a work objectively and critically, which is very much needed in the academic and professional work. Let's learn more about the definition, structure, and how to compose a good and appropriate critical review. Definition of critical review. Critical review is an evaluative and analytical activity of a work, scientific article, book, business report, speech, or presentation, with the aim of assessing the strength, weaknesses, relevance, and contribution of the work to a particular field of science or practice. In the context of business communication, critical reviews are used to assess the effectiveness of business message, evaluate communication reports or strategies, and critique communication practice within a company or organization. Objective of critical review in business communication. 1. Develop critical and analytical thinking skills. 2. Train skills to construct logical arguments. 3. Assess the quality of communication in a professional context. 4. Assist evaluation-based decision making. Elements of critical review. 1. Identification basic information. Title of the work, author's name, source of publication, and year of publication. 2. Summary of content, outline of the work, purpose of the writing, main ideas and supporting arguments. 3. Critical analysis. Are the author's arguments logical and supported by evidence? Is the information conveyed effectively? Is the communication method or approach relevant? 4. Evaluation. Strength and weaknesses of the work, relevance to the field of business communications, implication or impact of the content. 5. Conclusion. Final overall assessment, suggestions or recommendations if needed. Steps of creating a critical review. 1. Read and understand the work. Read thoroughly and understand to the main point. Note important and controversial passage. 2. Analyzing the content. Review the logic of the argument and the structure of the messaging. Identify unexplained biases or assumptions. Number 3. Writing the review. Use formal and objective language. Write based on the structure, introduction, summary, analysis, evaluation, and conclusion. 4. Revising and editing. Make sure there are no errors of fact or language. Check that your arguments and judgment are consistent. Example of critical review in the context of business communication. Example of work review. Article, Internal Communication Strategy during the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. 1. Summary. This article discusses the company's communication strategy to employees during the crisis. The author suggests using digital media and a transparency approach to maintain trust. 2. Analysis. The article uses relevant case studies and quantitative data to support the arguments. However, there is a weakness in generalizing solution without considering the scale of the company. Number 3. Evaluation. This work is very useful for large companies that have a digital communication infrastructure. However, the approach is less suitable for SMEs that do not have similar resources. 4. Conclusion. This article makes an important contribution but needs to be supplemented with a variety of communication approaches to be more inclusive. Tips for writing an effective critical review. 1. Use an objective approach. Avoid unsubstantiated personal opinions. 2. Focus on the content, not personal attacks on the author. 3. Develop your arguments based on business communication theory. 4. Compare with other sources or theories to strengthen your assessment. Conclusion. Critical review is an important process in developing critical, analytical, and evaluative thinking skills, especially in the context of business communication. Through critical review, students can assess the effectiveness of communication strategies, the quality of message, and the relevance of a work to modern business practice. By following systematic steps from understanding the content of the work, conducting a critical analysis, to providing an objective evaluation, students can compile a sharp, logical, and constructive review. The skills are not only useful in the academic environment, but are also crucial in the professional world to support better decision making in various business communication situations. Okay, that's all about the explanation of critical review material in business communication. Hopefully, this explanation can help us all understand the importance of critical thinking, objective, and systematic reviews. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.